Your bathroom is your sanctuary, and the right mirror can transform it into a smart oasis. Discover the pinnacle of convenience and style with our selection of the best smart bathroom mirrors. These innovative fixtures seamlessly blend technology and functionality to enhance your daily routine. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best smart bathroom mirrors you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Step into the world of luxury and sophistication with the Anten LED bathroom mirror, ranked as the 5th best smart bathroom mirror. This mirror is not just a reflection, it's an emotion. Immerse yourself in its adjustable color and brightness, offering 3 modes: cold white, natural white, and warm white, with stepless dimming. Whether you're preparing for a vibrant day or winding down in the evening, this mirror adapts to your every mood. Crafted from 5.5mm HD copper-free silver mirrors, it promises over 50,000 hours of illumination. Its anti-fog feature ensures crystal-clear reflections even in the steamiest bathroom conditions, making it your perfect companion during those serene self-care moments. Installation is a breeze, allowing for both vertical and horizontal setups. Plus, it can be powered either by a wall switch or a plug, offering versatility to suit your preferences. Preset at $159, it's a steal for the elegance and functionality it brings to your bathroom. The Amorho LED bathroom mirror is a radiant masterpiece that breathes life into your daily rituals. Ranked as the number 4 best smart bathroom mirror, it's not just a mirror, it's an emotion. Imagine your mornings bathed in double the brilliance thanks to its 2 built-in LED strip lights. These lights dance gracefully, casting away shadows and revealing the true beauty within. Fears of shattered glass are merry illusions, for this mirror is forged from armored glass, strong, unyielding, and virtually indestructible. Even in its rare moments of fragility, it defies convention, breaking without shattering into dangerous shards. Safety personified. But it doesn't end there. This mirror is an artist, allowing you to choose the hues that paint your reflection. Warm, natural, or white, the choice is yours. Adjust the brightness to your heart's content, all at the touch of a button. Installation is a breeze, a symphony of simplicity for your bathroom's grand opera. All this elegance and functionality can be yours for just $139. Meet the T-Thin Cast Capstone Touchscreen Smart Mirror, ranked as the number 3 best smart bathroom mirror. This mirror isn't just a reflection of your appearance, it's a reflection of your lifestyle. It brings emotion and convenience to your daily routine. Imagine accessing your favorite content and apps right on the mirror's display, effortlessly customizing your home screen with widgets that provide useful information. With YouTube at your fingertips, you can explore an array of channels, from health and beauty tutorials to fashion guides, all without incurring additional costs or subscription fees. Stay updated with news, weather, movie showtimes, stocks, and more while getting directions and restaurant reviews. Share your Android or iOS smartphone experience seamlessly, casting your screen onto the mirror and operating it via voice commands. In a world where mirrors are essential to modern living, the T-Thin Cast Capstone Smart Mirror adds a touch of sophistication and functionality. Priced at $799, it's your portal to a world of endless possibilities. Elevate your bathroom experience with the Butalux wall-mounted LED bathroom mirror, a shimmering beacon of modern luxury. This masterpiece has earned its place as the number 2 best smart bathroom mirror, and it's easy to see why. Picture yourself in a soft, warm embrace of light as you bask in its dimmable touch control brilliance. With a mere touch, you can seamlessly transition from the cozy 3K warm white glow to the invigorating 6K daylight, all while adjusting the intensity to your heart's desire. No flicker, no UV, just pure visual delight. Crafted with a premium 5mm HD copper-free silver mirror, it offers a crystal-clear reflection destined to endure for over 50,000 hours. The sleek aluminum alloy frame, treated for oxidation, guarantees durability and reliability. Safety reigns supreme, with a waterproof design and anti-fog function to maintain that crystal clarity. With a protective film and a slim 40mm profile, it's not just safe, it's stunning. The Butalux wall-mounted LED bathroom mirror is more than a mirror. It's an artful illumination. Priced at a mere $139. Transform your ordinary bathroom into a sanctuary of elegance and functionality with the Toke Shimmy LED bathroom mirror, the reigning champion of smart bathroom mirrors. This magnificent piece not only illuminates your bathroom, but also elevates its style quotient. The magic begins with its enchanting LED lights, which turn your bathroom into a haven of radiance. No matter if your bathroom is vintage or brand new, this mirror instantly adds a touch of glamour that's hard to ignore. Its crystal-clear reflection ensures that every morning routine is a symphony of perfection. What truly sets the TokeShimi mirror apart is its anti-fog technology. Say goodbye to frustrating condensation issues after steamy baths. This mirror clears up instantly, saving you precious minutes on hectic mornings. Customize your ambiance with dimmable lights, setting the mood for a relaxing soak or a vibrant evening out. Plus, this eco-friendly mirror promises a lifetime of 50,000 hours, ensuring your bathroom remains a beacon of beauty for years to come. The price is $139. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.